Richest rappers in the world. Kanye, net worth $1.8 billion. Popular musician and entrepreneur, has various business ventures, include a deal to design sneaker brand Easy for Adidas. Jay-Z, net worth $1.4 billion, has ventured into various sectors from entertainment company to a fine art collection. P. Diddy, net worth $900 million. He is an American rapper, record executive, record producer and entrepreneur. Dr. D.R.E., net worth $800 million. Rapper and businessman, he is the founder and CEO of Aftermath Entertainment and Beast Electronics. Eminem, net worth $230 million. He is among the best-selling music artists of all time. Master P, net worth $200 million. He is an American rapper and the founder of record label No Limit Records. Fuser, net worth $180 million. He is one of the most successful pop R&B artists of the 21st century. Ice Cube, net worth $160 million. American rapper, actor and filmmaker. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.